Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is bring someone to his or her knees. Bring someone to his or her knees, which means force a person to submit or humiliate. इसको हम उर्दू में घुटनों पर लाना यानी किसी को ख़राब करना, गंदा करना, वहाँ पे हम ये इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like the general vowed he would bring the enemy to their knees. So we have used here bring the enemy to their knees. Here is another sentence or situation. The general believes that such an attack will bring the opposing troops to their knees. So once again we have used here bring the opposing troops to their knees. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in the sentences or situations.